I almost think it started with bicycles. Anything with a wheel on it, you could race it. I just loved the dirt. Loved dirt cars, dirt trucks. Just loved sliding pickup trucks. I started driving, the very first thing was a Ford pickup truck out of Bill Stropp's shop, and I won, and I won, and I won. Racing in those days, it was from village to village. Whatever the town was, 60, 80 miles away, that was the next stop. That's where the fuel was, that's where the pit crew was. You had to get there the best way you could get there. A group of us guys would go down there and spend a week or two just pre-running down those roads. We knew those roads like I know that in my hand, just perfect. We'd even take some maybe toilet tissue if there was a shortcut coming up and mark the road back up the roadaways. And when we get the shortcut all made and everything, we'd brush all the tracks out so no one would see what we were doing. But the toilet tissue would remind you, you come down through, just crash through the first layer of brush, and then it was wide open from there on out. Back in the early days, my pickup trucks had 4 shocks per corner at the end of 2 laps, which is only 200 miles. All the oil was just pouring out of the shocks, and the truck's going boom, bong, boom, bong. It was like riding in a wore-out, junked-out baby buggy. And I went to Long Beach to my friend's big machine shop. See this shock? I want it this big around, and I want it that long, and I want to take off lid and to take off all of it. I need 4 of them, 1 per corner on my truck. And I mean, I would never even stop at the end of 2 laps because the things were so good, so big. I mean, it was just like I was in hog heaven. It was a brand new deal. So that's how we got into the shock business. I don't care if I was a little kid on my knees shooting marbles, racing bicycles, or what. I've always had that desire to win. But my wife ran the business, and Randy Anderson built all the cars and hired the right people to make Walker Evans Enterprises what it is today. You have to have the best group of guys working for you. You've got to have the knowledge, and you have to have the desire. The desire is everything. When I walk through a building with lots of people that are showing cars, I want them to maybe point and say, there goes that Walker Evans. He was a driving son of a gun. He really wanted to win every time he got in a car. That's what I want people to say about me, that I care about other people. I try to put on the greatest show there is when I'm driving. And I think I've proved that so far. Been good, really has.